Good day everyone, I am Ral Benedict M. Galamitan and I am from Group 6.
And I'm going to explain the product rule. Product rule is when use differentiating function with a product of two expressions. And here is the formula of it. Notice it, we let the part of the function to be u and v. We let 3x squared plus 4 becomes u. And 2x plus 7 becomes v. 2x plus 7 becomes v. Differentiate x 3x squared. We get 2 times 3x to the power of what? To the power of 1. Na siya. Which is 6x differentiate 4, which is a constant, we just get 0. Which is 6x. Now, for v, differentiate 2x, we get 2. Lastly, we have 0, differentiate 7. 2x, we get 2. Lastly, we have 0, differentiate 7. 0, 7. We have all the terms and we can now plug them into the formula. For the product of UV, UV is just basically initial y for you have 3x squared plus 4. 3x squared plus 4. To the derivative of UV, we have 2. To the derivative of UV, we have 2. For V, we have 2. For V, we have 2x plus 7. 2x plus 7. At lastly, derivative of u, we have 6x. Derivative of u, we have 6x. Now, we have to expand the brackets. Expand ka na mga row. Kana siya. Simplify. We got our final answer. And that's all.
Today I'm going to explain you the chain rule. Here are some examples of chain rule. So we're gonna move to step 1. The outside part is something squared. The derivative of something squared is 2 times the something, so it becomes 2 times 2x plus 3. Step 2. Now, find the derivative of the inside part. So, the inside part is 2x plus 3. So the only derivative of that is just the 2. So So the final answer for that is 2 times 2x plus 3 times 2. So that is the final answer of our explanation.
Yes, in this video, I will explaining the quotient rule and how to solve it. So let's start. So first, let us identify what is quotient rule. Quotient rule is a method of finding derivatives of a function of two differentiable ratio. To find the derivative of such a fraction, we use this formula: gx times f prime of x minus fx times g prime of x over gx squared. So here is the example: 3x squared plus 4 over 5x squared minus 3x plus 2. So first is to find the derivative of fx and gx. To find the derivative of fx and gx, we need to multiply the exponent by the coefficient and reduce the exponent by 1. So 2 times 3 is equals to 6x, and 2 minus 1 is equals to 1. And then of the gx, we need to same the process of the fx. So 5 times 2 is equals to 10. X minus 3. Since the 4 and 2 is the constant, so we don't need to put it. So next is we need to apply the formula. So here is our gx, f prime of x, fx, and g prime of x all over our gx. So the next steps is we need to multiply. So here is the step: 5x squared times 6x is equals to 30x to the power of 3, and negative 3x times 6x is 18x to the power of 2, and 2 times 6x is equals to 12x. So we need to put a open and close parenthesis because the sign will change later to the next steps. And then 3x squared times 10x is equals to 30x to the power of 3. 3x to the power of 2 times 3 is equals to negative 9x to the power of 2. And 4 times 10x is equals to 40x. And 4 times negative 3 is equals to negative 12 all over our denominator, which is the 5x to the power of 2 minus 3x plus 2 squared. And we distribute the sign to its parentheses. So negative times negative, it will become positive, and negative and positive, it will become a negative, and negative and negative will become a positive. So next is we distribute the sign and it will become in this. And then next is we need to cancel that 30x to the power of 3 and negative 30x to the power of 3. So it will become in this. Negative 18x squared plus 9x squared, it become negative 9x squared, and 12x minus 40x, it will become negative 20x plus 12. So all over our denominator, which is 5x squared minus 3x plus 2 squared. So here is our final answer.
Now, let me teach you how to solve love one another.
down.